In this episode, you will see which raw materials are required to produce construction materials. Chemical construction products are an intrinsic component of every construction site. Products such as paints, impregnates, varnishes, or floor mortar mixes are used to secure wall surfaces and to seal, insulate, and reinforce building structures. To ensure all those specialist products are available to construction teams, their manufacturers need steady supply of relevant raw materials. Acrylic dispersions, redispersible powders, thickeners, or tartaric acid. They are all used to formulate chemical construction products found on store shelves. Their availability is ensured by the host of this episode, Symbase from Robakowo, Wielkopolska.
Symbase to
The most important thing about Symbase is that it is a Polish company. Great people, great team. Import from the Far East of specialist raw materials for the construction sector forms our core business, but it involves more than just import and sales, with main focus on implementation and support for our customers. We have a strong R&D department, so we work with our customers on a daily basis, supporting them in their applications. In this episode, we will see how Symbase ensures a steady access to high-quality raw materials for manufacturers of chemical construction products. We will begin at the Research and Development Department. The facility of a surface area of 400 square meters includes 3 laboratories for dry materials, wet materials, and applications. All raw materials supported by Symbase from all corners of the world need to undergo specialist tests. We must be certain that a given material has the specified parameters. Therefore, a sample of the customer's product is manufactured using the customer's recipe and the ordered raw material. Then its parameters are verified. Furthermore, the laboratory prepares modified or completely new formulations. This is the case, for example, when a customer intends to launch a new generation of their products. Then Symbase transforms into a research and development department of its customer. How are formulations modified? Usually by introducing various types of additives. For example, an addition of ForFlow, a liquefying and stabilizing system developed by Symbase that replaces several materials, improves leveling and flowability, and increases mechanical strength of self-leveling speed. To check this strength, crushing, bending, adhesion, and deformation tests are performed on samples. Apart from standard tests, a number of application tests are also performed. They take place in a specially prepared room, in which changeable weather conditions are simulated. This way, the behavior of the final product within a specified time and varying air temperature and humidity conditions can be checked. Ensuring quality of raw materials supplied to the market is one of the crucial aspects of company operations. The logistics of imported raw materials are another one. Specialists employed at this department are responsible for finding the right raw material for a given customer, organizing its transport, and arranging all associated formal issues. Providing the goods on time and negotiating appropriate conditions of the transaction are the logistics department's priority. Ordered raw materials must meet safety standards, hold relevant certificates, and have a low carbon footprint.
Dla Symbase bardzo ważna jest ekologia.
Environmental aspects are very important for Symbase, and not only in our core operations, where raw materials imported by us themselves must meet the highest standards and be friendly for environment and people,
Magazyny, laboratoria, biura.
but the systems are also of importance to us. Our company, warehouses, laboratories, and offices are cooled using energy from renewable energy sources, i.e. wind power and sunlight. Hydrogen is a game changer in this area. We are currently installing the first hydrogen cell, which will mainly ensure that the building operation is zero emission. Some of raw materials are transported to customers' factories directly from the port. Others are delivered to the Symbase warehouse in Robakowo. Safe stocks are maintained here, ensuring availability of raw materials regularly ordered by customers. The company does not live by business alone. It involves a large part of its profits in charity activities, like Szlachetna Paczka, Christmas actions supporting people in need, or assistance for families from Ukraine. In cooperation with UNICEF, the company organized a competition, Young People for Climate in Wielkopolska, under which it financed 13 grants for students who presented the best ideas for activities supporting environmental protection.
Odpowiedzialność społeczna.
Social responsibility is crucial for us. We cooperate with UNICEF, schools, and young people. We invite them to our laboratory and show them that chemistry can also be modern and future-proof. Symbase is a sole partner of suppliers such as LG Chem, Evonik, LOT, Dyron, or Siliconi in the Polish market. Each month, the company supplies to the market 1,000 tons of raw materials required for manufacturing chemical construction products.